Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Facebook account. So if you also want to log in Facebook account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Facebook is a social media application that lets the users connect with friends and family. They can also share photos and stay informed about current events. So if you also want to log into your Facebook account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Facebook application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you do not have an account, you can create an account for yourself. Simply tap on the option create new account. After that, you'll be able to create a new account for yourself. But if you already have an account, you'll directly be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your credentials. First of all, enter your mobile number or email. Here I'm just going to enter my email. Now after that, what you have to do is enter your password. You can see over here I've already entered my password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now after entering the credentials, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. If you have enabled the two-factor authentication, you might also have to enter the verification code. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be logged into your Facebook account. So that is how you log in Facebook account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.